Hello everybody, welcome back to hardreset.info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage audio redial settings on your i-SENSYS MF657Cdw made by Canon. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to the menu. Now here in the menu, let's go over to function settings and then the send. Now in the send settings, we need to go over to fax settings. And here we have the auto redial. So now let's just click on it. Here we have it. And as you guys can see, we can use auto redial. We can select the number of times to redial. For me, it's 2 times, and redial interval. So the spaces between the redial. Now, what else can we do here is we have the redial when error occurs. So whenever there's an error, then the printer will simply redial and it will continue on doing that the amount of times that we put here. So now I'll show you how to change it the second way. As you guys can see, I am on the website of the printer right now. Let's go over and select the logout, and I'll show you guys from the beginning. We need to select System Manager mode to unlock every function, and then enter our remote UI access pin. Now after that, simply click Login, and here we need to go over and click on Settings and Registration, and go over to TX Settings in the function settings. So here we need to go to fax TX settings. Now here let's click on edit on the right side of the screen. And here we have the auto redial settings. So here we can disable it or enable it. Change the number of times to redial from 2, let's say to 5. And redial interval, we can change it from 2 minutes to 99 minutes. And we can disable or enable redial when error occurs. So that's basically how you guys can change that. Now just click on OK and everything should be saved. As you guys can see, it is. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.